Hello everyone. Week 2 is underway on Project Vampyre Resurrection, and today I'm finishing up polishing the last wheel. After this, all 4 wheels will have the first round of polishing done. Of course, they're pretty sure there's going to be several more rounds to go before these things are up to par with what I want them to be. All I'm using is this steel wool. It's a very fine grade. It's grade 0 actually. You don't want to use the really coarse stuff on aluminum wheels, or you will, I'm pretty sure you will totally destroy them. And as far as polish goes, all I'm using is Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Pretty basic stuff, but seems to be very effective. And this came on recommendation of a guy that worked in the auto parts store I went in. He actually uses this on his wheels for his mini truck as well. So he said this is one of the best things you can do for billet, is just get this on the wool, some polish on there. I've been pretty generous with it, especially since this is the first round and they've been sitting so long. I've been covering one section of the wheel at a time, making sure to get it down in the cracks really good. Now in this first round, I'm not going for perfection. Like I said, there's going to be more rounds of polishing to come. I am just trying to get them started, get some of the grime, a little bit of the pitting out. Not much pitting on these wheels actually. When I first looked at them, I thought there was going to be, I thought they were worse than they are, but in actuality, they're really not that bad. I'm going to go ahead and get some on this part here while I'm polishing on this smaller area. Get each one of these grooves individually. I used to do this all the time. I've been out of it for a long time, but I actually have a pretty long history early on in my late teenage years into my 20s of showing cars, trucks, obviously cleaning them for showing, and learned a lot from my dad. He detailed cars for people a lot. Very, very picky on every little detail, which is where I get some of that from. Taught me a lot on that. Lots of little tricks. So now we've polished the entire face of the wheel, including the windows, and just going to take a standard washcloth is what I'm using, and I'm going to start wiping all that off, polishing in the process. now onto the outer part of the wheel, or the face of the wheel. Gonna hit this spot just a bit more. The spot here just didn't really prove much. I may have missed it before. Oh yeah, that's better. Have a slight bend in the wheel here. I think one of the other ones also does, but it's nothing major. I'm not too concerned about it. These wheels are kind of part of the truck's legacy at this point, so I'd like to preserve these and keep these on the truck as long as possible. That's what this is about for me. More than making the truck absolutely perfect, I'm more into preserving what the truck originally was and maybe adding a little to it here and there. But this truck is so unique that I feel like it deserves to be kind of left alone for the most part, as far as any major changes to what's already done to it. I have a few ideas, but nothing set in stone. But this one is actually really not bad at all compared to the two bad ones. Actually, I believe this is the best wheel on the truck as far as not being dirty. When I found it